Okay, so you want to own vending machines. Buy a few machines, drop them in busy locations, and let them run themselves. No storefront, no staff, no customers to manage face to face. Just a machine that quietly collects cash and card taps while you're at your actual job, or asleep, or on vacation. That's the version people see on social media. Guys standing next to a wall of glowing machines, pulling out a bag of coins, talking about how they figure monthly income working 2 hours a week. The vending machine is sold as the ultimate passive income hack, the business you can run from your phone, the side hustle that doesn't require you to actually show up. Here's what nobody shows you. The owner behind that video spent months cold calling office buildings, apartment complexes, and warehouses just to get someone to say yes to a machine in their break room. They drove 90 minutes across the city last night, restocking 3 machines themselves because their route wasn't dense enough yet to hire anyone.
Yeah, this was a sample. We can download it here and we can save it in a folder where we want to save. Let it be in this folder. This. If you want another one, you can go for there. And now we use this examples, and then by default without any narration or voice cloning. We'll do it right now, then again generate it. Let's start from again 0. It's increased, and now you can see that the progress of generation of the video is 4%, and now audio is generating images. These 3 things will be simultaneously run at the back end, and once it generates one video, then it come back to the loop, generate the image, then generate the audio, and then rendering it, and then afterwards it again go for the next image. And in this example we have 124 such kind of samples, and now let's hope after a while it will generate everything for us as required. Once the whole system is set up, only end user will get this interface. If he wants to clone his own voice, he can upload a sample of his own clear without background noise voice or audio, and then it starts then.